Morning traders, Nick Massandrea, Market Tea Leaves here to bring you our daily market bias video for Friday, October 16th. It's approximately 4:35 a.m. on the East Coast. We're going to take a look at the overnight session in Asia. Asia traded mainly to the upside, with the exception of the Indian Sensex exchange, which traded down somewhat. Currently right now in Europe, and this is current and ongoing, as Europe is open and trading, all of Europe is trading to the upside. Now, we were to take a look at market correlation as it stands. The U.S. dollar is trading higher. It's been trading higher pretty much all morning long. Energies in terms of crude is also trading higher. There is no correlation between the U.S. dollar and crude as this broadcast. Financials in terms of the bonds are also trading higher. The indices themselves are trading fractionally higher. S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones Industrial Average. And metals in terms of gold is trading down. It doesn't appear to be very much in the way of a fear factor, because if there was, this gold and precious metals would be trading sky high, and they are not. Now, in terms of economic news we have on the docket today for the U.S. markets, we do have quite a bit. At 9:15 we have capacity utilization and industrial production. At 10 a.m. we have the University of Michigan consumer sentiment and also inflation expectations. Given that these are preliminary numbers, there is greater weight put forth towards them. Preliminary numbers always have greater weight as opposed to revised numbers. At 10 a.m. we also have Joel's jobs opening. This is a proven market mover. And then at 4 o'clock this afternoon, although it will have absolutely no effect on this session today, we have long-term purchases. All in all, our bias is neutral. Let me explain to you why we're saying that. Currencies in terms of the U.S. dollar is trading higher. Energies in terms of crude is trading higher. Financials in terms of the bonds are trading higher. In theory, all this being said, in theory, what we should be seeing is that we should be seeing the indices should be trading down. They are not. The indices themselves, in terms of the futures, are trading higher, although fractionally, but still higher. That being said, there is no correlation. When everything is trading higher and nothing is trading lower, there is no correlation, and that is definitely a red flag and something to be very mindful of if trading. Hence, our bias is neutral, which means the markets could go in any direction today. Additionally, and also to add to the complexity, is today's options expiration, which is something that happens every third Friday of every single month. It's not quadruple witching, but it is options expiration, and it always it always lends another level or layer of complexity, if you will, or volatility. So that's something to be mindful of as well. Hence, our bias is neutral. Could this change? Absolutely. Anything can happen in a volatile market. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.